You should also download VSign application. Today we'll be using this VSign application in unison with document signing platform in Mongolia by name VSign.mn. So we'll make sure the application is up and running. Okay. Let's place it over here. Now, before linking any certificates to VSign app, one should first log into VSign.mn platform. You enter your registered phone number, press continue. As a default, this will be triggering MPKI SIM-based signature prompt. So here you can see it's asking for my personal PIN. I entered the PIN, authenticated myself, and it would grant access to VSign.mn. In VSign.mn, under settings, we have a dedicated portion called MUSAP Link. You press on link, it creates a QR code to link. You go to VSign app. VSign app asks for either entering code or scanning QR. So I've scanned the QR. And then you're greeted with two options, whether to activate GSign, which is app-based signature certificate, or SIM-based one that's under name mobile ID. I'll first activate GSign by pressing on activate. It asks for a registered phone number. I'll enter the same phone number I have on GSign. This triggers GSign to enter PIN. I'll enter my PIN. Says success. I go back to VSign app. It says activation successful. Here you can see GSign is already activated. Secondly, I'll also activate my mobile ID, which is SIM-based one. Here, as usual, I'll enter the same phone number where my SIM has certificate to. This will prompt the SIM application to enter a PIN. I'll enter signature certificate held on my phone, its associated PIN. And it's a success. So here you can see I have two certificates activated on VSign app. Now, on VSign, I can start signing documents. Okay, before that, for clarity, let us log into, just previously I used mobile ID or SIM-based one to log into system. Now I'm going to attempt logging into system using the app, but this time we will use VSign application. I have wrongfully selected mobile ID. Instead, I should press on app ID, and then I press continue. On the app, you're greeted with two options. I'll use GSign to log in. Press sign. This prompts GSign. Asks for my personal PIN. I enter. It says success. I press close, and you can see that I have access to my VSign account. Okay. So I've logged into VSign using VSign app and GSign application. Now we have logged into system using VSign app and my personal certificate. What I'll attempt doing now is to sign a document with VSign app. So let us first select a random test file. I'll enter my registered phone number, press continue. Here's the content of the document. I am pulling in my signature detail link over here. Pressing next, viewing the contents, press next, send. So since I've sent mail to myself to sign, sent a request to send myself, sent a request for myself to sign, I'm receiving it under my received. Over here I can check the contents. Here it is, and I'll press sign. Now when I press sign, you may notice on VSign app comes in a signature request. It says sign with MUSAP. So I can use either my corporate certificate or personal certificate to sign. First time I'll try signing it using personal certificate, pressing sign. Asks for PIN, entered, and it's a success. So the document is successfully signed, as you can see. I'll download the signed document. Now, I will also do the same process utilizing same document and same registered phone number. Next, I'll place the signature checking link on the same place as well. Next, send. Here I'm receiving it. Preview, sign. Now this time around, I will use the corporate certificate to sign. Sign. Now that will prompt my SIM-based certificate pin collector. There. So it's also another successful signature. So the last document, I'll also sign the signed version. And what we'll do is we will compare. Here's the first one. And here is the second one. Wait, did it open? Okay. So here's the first file. And here is the second file. You can see by the change in serial number. So the first document, let's check the certificate details. You can see the issuing CA is government civil issuing CA. Under subject you can see 5.2.5.4.13 states personal certificate. Now I go to the second file to check also the certificate details. It's issued by Tridum CA. Go to subject, you can see that 2.5.4.13, this is corporate certificate. So you can see that we can interchangeably use the different certificates when signing documents using VSign app.